This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to collect your own Encyclopdia set, pop along to fanhome.com where you can find them for sale in many different territories across the world. So thank you once again to Fanhome for providing me with these books. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at what you get in each delivery. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to the 24th and final delivery of the Star Wars Encyclopedia. This is just a single volume delivered to me today. The index, it is what it is. It's the index. It's issue 0. So it goes right at the beginning, and basically is an index. It contains where you can find the information on everything that's featured. So we have the contents page, which basically is the alphabet. In case you didn't know the order of the alphabet, you can now easily look it up at the beginning of this. So we start off with the numbers 0 to 9, and then A, and then B, and then C, and so on. I'm not going to go through the entire alphabet for you. But if, for instance, you wanted to look up something like, let's look up Luke Skywalker, shall we? That would probably be under S. I should have checked this out first, but let's have a look. Obviously, all of these are here. What are the... Okay, each individual volume has its own title emblazoned on here and tells you what one it is in the colour there it is. So let's see, while we're at L, we might as well see if LU is indeed featured there. What have we got here? Luke Skywalker's lightsaber. Luke Skywalker, he has his own volume, of course he does, but everything else is featured there. So if you want to know about Luke Skywalker's land speeder, you would go to volume 76, 75, page 26 and 27. So yeah, all quite cool and interesting in there. Not the sort of thing you'd read, but you certainly need it for reference. Let me just check to see what we have under S. Do we have Skywalker? Is it double listed? S Separatists thing. Skywalker, Anakin. Yes, so it's listed under both of them. So yeah. It's just Anakin. If I turned over an extra page. Skywalker Anakin. Skywalker's Legacy of Skywalker Luke. There you go, yes. So you can look it up in however you like, and you'll find the information in there. As well as some extra pictures of things, turbo lasers and stuff, obviously featuring around the lasers they are on. That'll be Windu and W. So yes, there you have the final delivery in this, the index, ready to be added. Nice art on the front for basically the entire Skywalker saga. Yeah, that's it. The end of an era. The Star Wars Encyclopedia is now completed and finished, wrapped up. That is it. There may be an addition. They may bring out, volume 2, which has got more of the more recent things in it, but it's fairly up to date. It had Boba Fett and stuff in there, didn't it? So yeah, it's missing some Mandalorian and Ahsoka, stuff like that, but lots of information in there anyway. So if you're interested in this, hop along to fanhome.com. It's all available now. You still have to get it monthly, but it's nice to get a package every month and open it up and see what's what. So that's that. Thank you very much for watching me. Thank you very much for enjoying the series. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, you wouldn't have watched all the way through to this one, would you? But that's that. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for other things and partworks as time goes by. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.